Hello students, welcome to the series of experiments in physics presented by Mobile Science Lab. This particular session is to verify the working of AC and DC generators. The apparatus required are the model of AC generator, the model of DC generator, galvanometer and another galvanometer, and the connecting leads. The parts involved in AC generator are the rectangular coil. This is the rectangular coil. You can see that the length and breadth are different. This is the rectangular coil. These are called, there are two split rings and you have a magnet. This is the magnet. And this is another magnet. This is one magnet, this is another magnet. These are the slip rings. The ends of the coil are connected to two separately. This is one, this is another. The other side of this is connected to carbon bushes. These are the carbon bushes from which you are going to draw the current. The output of the generator is connected to the galvanometer. To start with, to see the function, let us keep one of the lengthy sides of the armature coil. This is the entire thing is called armature or commutator, in such a way that if you think that there is a side A and the other lengthy side is side B, side A is on the top portion of the top side and side B at the bottom side. In this particular configuration, the current going through the coil or the induced current is 0 because there is no change in the magnetic flux. When I rotate this with a rotor, with a handle is here, all these slip rings and the coil are connected through a rod in such a way that they move along the same axis. Now, when I start rotating this, you can observe that the magnetic flux is changed because of the motion of the coil and the current is induced. See now, when I move it, you can see when I am at the top, the current is 0. When I move it, quarter this thing, current reaches maximum. When I move it again, it comes to 0 and again it moves in the reverse direction. In this way, when I keep on moving this, the current starts from 0, reaches a maximum value after quarter cycle, and if you rotate it further from quarter to half cycle, the current starts decreasing. The pattern is going to be the same on the other side from half to one cycle, but in the reverse way. See now, you can see that in one when I move this in one half, it is in one direction. When I move it further, it is going to move in the reverse direction. This way, AC generator is working. That means the current starts from 0 and it goes to the maximum value, comes back to 0 during the first half of the cycle rotation, and in the second half the pattern is same, but it goes in the reverse direction. That is the reason it is called AC generator. In AC generator, the waveform is going to be of the shape of sine wave as displayed on the slide there. In one cycle, if you have one waveform, the frequency of the wave is 1 cycle per second, rather 1 hertz. If you can accommodate 50 such cycles in 1 second, then the frequency is called 50 hertz, rather 50 cycles per second. This way AC generator is going to work. The functioning of the DC generator is almost similar to AC generator, except but for the fact that slip rings are replaced by a split ring, and the current is drawn by the carbon brushes fitted on the surface of the split ring. When you rotate, the split ring, coil and everything rotates, but the carbon brushes don't rotate. Let us rotate the coil and then see what is going to happen. When I rotate the coil, magnetic flux is going to change and the current is going to be induced. That is evident from this. You can see that. You can see it is continuously increasing and decreasing. So this way the DC generator is going to work. When we have rotated the handle in clockwise direction, we can see that the deflection keeps on increasing in one direction. Let us see what happens when I rotate it in the other direction. When I rotate it in the other direction, the deflections are on the other side of the zero of the galvanometer. This way the DC generator is going to work. Thank you very much.